All right, today I'm going to show you kind of how to set up a theme to get a new look for a brand new website here. There's a lot of templates out there that can help you. Today we're going to talk about Divi and installing kind of a layout to work off of, and then you can make it your own from there. This tutorial will just be going through how to install a theme on a blank WordPress install. As you can see, our page here doesn't have any content. It's using just a basic 2025 theme that came out of the box. All right, we'll go in there so you can see. So once you're logged into your site, you see something like this. You can go to Appearance, Themes on the left-hand side here. You're going to see any type of themes that maybe when you fresh install of WordPress that will be here. We're going to add a paid theme here that we're going to upload. There's also many popular themes that you can choose here to start with. So we're using a paid one today called Divi. And we'll show how that works here. So we're going to drop that on there. First install the Divi theme, and then we're also going to install a Divi child theme. And you want to do a child theme, so if you do any custom edits to the theme, for example Divi today, you don't want to change any settings in there directly on the theme, because if you do and then you run an update, it can erase it. And themes and plugins got to update every so often. So we'll go back in here to themes. Now that's installed, you see Divi is there. Now we're going to add the child theme. Install that, and then we'll activate it. And so there's our child theme for this theme. So we're using the Divi theme, the settings in there, kind of is the running everything off of. And then we have our child theme here. So if we run any updates on Divi in the future, it's not going to erase any of our custom work that we put in there. That's the reason why you'd want to do that. All right, so we'll look at the site and see what it looks like. It's going to look a little different, but not a whole lot. There's nothing really there. So this is the home page. We have a sample page that automatically puts in. As you can see, nothing there. So we're going to now try to pick out a layout of something. So we can come into pages here, and we'll create a new page. We'll just call this the home page. So this is the WordPress kind of default view. We're going to go, we don't want to use, you can use the default editor. We're going to use the Divi builder today, so you can visually see as you are editing your page and creating it. It's going to load up here. It's going to give us an option to pick some preset layouts. It's got a little tutorial also how to do that. We're just going to start building. So there's a couple different options. Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or build with AI. Today in this video, we're going to be choosing a pre-made layout. So we're going to browse here. It's going to come up with a bunch of different ideas. And we are trying to do kind of a coffee shop look. So we'll see if they have any that we can start with and work off of. All right, so they're coming up with a few examples here that they have templates for. And let's see here, we got menus, blog, contact page, about. We're looking for a home page. So here's a landing page. We could use either one of these. Today we will click on the home page because that's what we're creating. You can see the other pages that are included in this layout pack. So you can get off the start real quick here, getting a layout, and then put your own images and your own text in there. So you can view it. We're not going to view it today. We're going to use this homepage layout. So we click use this layout. So we're back here. It's going to say you can import the presets. This is just saying for the styles, images, it's going to bring all that over. We're going to use that today because I don't have any photos to use. So we're going to use the ones that come with it so we can kind of show how that looks. So it's taking a minute here. It'll load up here. It shouldn't take too long, just a few seconds. All right, so now this is what our home page is going to look like. We brought in this default layout. So we can change out the colors, the logo, change out photos and some of the stuff. But now you have a kind of a starting point if this is something you want to go for. This is great for business owners that haven't built a website before and they just want to get up and going. This can save a lot of time. So that is how you create a home page in Divi. And we will create more videos on the next step. How do you edit a Divi builder? How do you change out photos? How do you change out text? We'll also be jumping in and, well, you gotta make sure you save here so it saves that layout. Once that saves here, they don't go back. We'll be going through how to do a blog post, how to create more pages, different plugins to use, users, setting up other staff members that you want in your site. So stay tuned for more videos to come here on WordPress, and like below, comment below things that you're having trouble with, things you want to see, things you want to learn, and we'll do our best to keep showing you. All right, thank you.